selected from different members across the country, from different branches. This is the headquarters. Okay, he is collected from each individual members.
So you have members in so many different
Yeah, so many across the country.
More,
yes.
almost the members are more than 15,000.
15,400. 400, yeah.
Yours members.
There are so many backgrounds, families back to 50,400 members. So if you count, if you duplicate it,
Everybody.
members, families, yes, families.
Gameen babal'atee hoggansa cimaa fi ayyuudhaan dhaabbatee ijjiitti jireenyaa furtuu baannee jirra nuti biyya keenyaaf dhugaan dhaabbanneera amma namaa taanee dhugaan badhaafamnee qabeenya uummataa tokkorraan hir'ifnee halkanii fi guyyaa cinaachi nuun ciifnee.
This is another branch. Lemon. Yes. We have a warehouse there.
The cattle product.
Yeah, this is the cattle product.
The cattle product is here during holidays, while we are selling to the public during our holidays here from.
Caffee madda nagaa guddinaaf nageenya akka aadaa keenya hunda hammanneerra. Dargaggoof shamarran eenyu gonkumaa dinagdee gabaanaan eenyuun nuun dorgomaa. Ambaasaaddarooti misoomaaf nageenya taana biyya keenyaaf addunyaaf fakkeenya. Mudaa jireenyaa waanjoo rakkinaa harka wal qabannee hiyyummaa cabsinaa. Caffee waldaa jabaa sanyiitu itichee addunyaan dorgomaa diinarra didichee jijjiirama finnee hojiidhaan guddifnaa dhaloota dhokatee ol qabnee mul'ifnaa. Daandii guddinaa dargaggoota karra milkaa'inaa ga'eessota. Daandii guddinaa dargaggoota karra milkaa'inaa ga'eessota. Salphata singeenyee aarsaa kaffalleerra bu'aa bahii baanee hundaa gonfanneerra.
Why I was coming to Ethiopia right now. But the minute that I got off the plane, we drove to the graduation ceremony and I met you.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't know why exactly I was coming to Ethiopia. It was my first time in 5 years,
Yes,
right? Now I know why I came back. I just came. So I now know why I came here. It's to be here with you right now. I don't know what is going to happen in the future, but I feel the promise, I feel the miracle, I feel the mission and the values that you guys are creating here, and I am absolutely honored to be here.
The same is for us. We honored you, we respect you to come to visit us, and you are eager, I think, to work with synergy uses. Okay, the fate of the country is on the hand of young people.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, of course.
Anytime I'm ready.
Joining with you is going to be the vehicle for being able to achieve that.
Yeah, achieve your own goal. Yeah.
I think that if we go to the MasterCard Foundation together, we can get resources. We can find ways to combine to create jobs throughout the whole country.
That's good.
So I'm super inspired. It's becoming clear to me, what is this opportunity?
Yes.
And God is bringing us
yeah.
together.
For reason. For
Right?
reason. Yeah. For reason.
It's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
It's really something.
Yeah.
I'm feeling the blessing from that.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We love the green grass. We love the green grass. Yeah, I live in New York City, right? Little apartment. I have Caffee.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So now I know why I have Caffee.
Yes.
I'll show you a picture.
Of course. This is our president office,
Yeah.
Mr. Sanyi Idashu.
Yes.
This is his office.
Yeah,
This is the main office of
this is where.
President
it's
Sanyi
happening.
Idashu.
Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Please.
Matamuun hojjetu yoo mataan ollu jedhee yoo qabaanne hundumaa namni waa harkaa qabu addunyaa danda'uun waldaa dargaggoo caffee hojii gamtaa walii galaa kan dargaggoo finfinnee fi oromiyaa hojjatu hirree guddaa qabda amante jarreen abbaan biyyaa waldaa caffee hojii gamtaa beemaan labdee hundaa qabda.
Caffee use multi-purpose cooperative society. From the naming, we can see the major focus and the purpose of the organization. Caffee use multi-purpose and cooperative society. And in my presentation, I will shortly try to explain the following issue. The first one is general information about the organization. The second one is the founder and the president of the organization, Caffee. The third issue is the foundation, how it is emerged, founded. The fourth one is the features. The fifth one is objectives. The sixth one is current activities. And the last point that I would like to touch upon is the planned activities of Caffee. Before I proceed to the detailed information about the foundation and the current activities of Caffee, I would like to provide a very brief information about Caffee. Regarding the naming, the name of the organization is Caffee Youth Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society. And the founder of this cooperative society is Mr. Sanyi Idashu. And the year of establishment is 2020. That is before 3 years. And the focus is of this organization, as the name mentioned earlier, is youth empowerment economically by organizing the youth, especially to reduce unemployment and other challenges encountering the youth. The members, currently there are almost 30,000, but the organization is aspiring to have 50,000 members. And the main office is here in Finfinnee, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, but there are sub-offices in various regional states of Ethiopia. So the organization is functioning in the, or get license from the federal government, it is functioning in the various regions of Ethiopia. Current capital is estimated to be around 300 million Ethiopian birr. And the key achievement of this cooperative society so far is creating job opportunity for many unemployment youth in the town. And the best award achieved so far is the president and the founder to Sanyi Idashu for leading the organization to his current status. The organization itself got best cooperative society in Ethiopia among 90,000 cooperative society in Ethiopia for consecutive 3 years. These are some of the basic information about the organization. As it is in several organizations, the founder and the organization cannot be separated here in Caffee. So the president and the founder, Mr. Sanyi, and the Caffee cannot be separated. As you can see in the picture, he's leading, he's showing direction to the followers. So before I talk about the foundation and the current activities of the organization, I would like to briefly talk about the founder and the president of our cooperative society. Our cooperative society is founded by Sanyi Idashu. He is currently the president of the the cooperative society. Here, what I presented in the right-hand side is the picture of his book that was published for a year and ago. And I would like to show this picture of his book because most of my information that I'm going to talk about is from this source. And the title of the book is Hojii Fakkeenya Dhaloota, Kophee Qulqulleessuu irraa hanga Pireezidaantummaatti, an exemplary star for a generation from shoe cleaning to the level of presidency. So before I talk about the organization, I would like to give a very brief information about the founder and the president of our organization, the Cooperative Society. The first one is his educational background. The founder of this Cooperative Society is an educated person. He's a person who believes, who have a standpoint that a person who is not sharpened by knowledge will have a difficulty in achieving his goal. So he valued education and he learned it in different difficult circumstances. So far he attended a diploma, while he started his diploma while he was in prison. And he graduated his diploma in political science and law after he was released from prison. And he also attended his first degree in law at Debre Marcos University. Another degree, first degree, in management in 2030 from Select College. So the founder of the organization do have this educational background. When we see his activities or works that he was engaged in, from the title of his book, you can clearly understand that he's the exemplary star for this generation. Has he moved from shoe cleaning to the level of presidency? His biography tells us that he started working before he was engaged in school. He is a man who works day and night for better achievement. And he believes that everyone should stop waiting for help and work to be self-reliant. So he believes in to be most of his time at work, and he's a man that does not neglect work. When we see his work so far he engaged in, he progressed from very small work to the current presidency level. From, as we can see from his title of his book, from shoe cleaning to presidency level. At the beginning, he started his job by cleaning shoes, which he upgraded shoe repairing very quickly. He worked as a distributor. He also worked as a loader, a broker, a merchant, a guard, driver's disposal. Currently, he is the president of Caffee Cooperative. So we can clearly understand that he founded this organization after he spent many ups and downs. When we see the journey, he was arrested several times, several occasions from false and personal grounds. Almost 1/3 time of his life is spent in prison. Finally, after passing several challenges and hardship, he founded Caffee Youth Cooperative. That's why his journey can be entitled as challenges, from challenge to success.
So this is during officials come to visit our green stores, and this is a transportation for products and services. There are our own vehicles, different vehicles for transportation and for goods and products. Also, there are different, this is during construction with our president, and also there is a supervision from Ethiopian Cooperative Society Commission. Also, there is training for workers, and about there is structures from top to bottom. So for each workers, there is principles that how they are going to work. So this is a actually you saw this one. Yeah, yeah. There is a grain store, different grain stores. So there is most of the time there are a lot of visit and supervision from higher officials. Also, there is a Sunday markets. The main goal of Caffee is to stabilize these inflations. So there is inflation when they provide these goods, vegetables, fruits, and cattle, as you saw here. There is participation in stabilizing the inflation. So this is Sunday market. This is with Addis Ababa Mayor Adaanach Abeebe participating in the exhibition. So this is during her visit to our products on different bazaar and so this is also a visit by Oromia Regional Vice President. His name is Awalo Abdi. So this product, particularly during Easter, there is high demand. So that's
Eggs and chicken.
Chicken, eggs, and the cattle. Yeah. So this is a partnership with local banks. Cooperative Bank of Oromia. So this school visit, they support this Caffee supports schools by providing different things. So there is a certification on a bazaar, and there is also recognition from Global Youth Leadership Award 2023 in Dubai for Caffee's activities.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So there is a participation in Green Legacy. It's a plantation across the country. So Caffee participated through all of its members from different locations. So this is provision of coffee to different suppliers. There is also, as we mentioned earlier, there are a lot of locations, around 36 places. So there is a meeting in
Assembly.
there is General Assembly. At the same time, there is a meeting in each places. So this is Sulul Sabeta is around here and in different all directions. Kamise is in Amhara region. Ambo is to the west, Dukam, and these are. This is also a visit by Oromia higher officials. All these are also there is a exchange of experience with other societies. Other societies here, prepared in south region. So there is also appreciation certification from different societies. We have primary school at Ambo. This is a picture of our president with teachers. So we have licenses, particularly on flour and the bread factory, and also in hoteling and in coffee supplying in internal in a country. Fabulous. This is during presentation of the housing to the member.
Thank you very much for the presentation, everyone, professor, wherever you are. Really a great opportunity to be here and to experience the entire Caffee today and the palace that we have here. I'm super impressed with that and with all that you've accomplished to date and what you intend to produce into the future. I'm seeing you really learn your way into an incredible role. So what I get is that it's you are leading the way to a new, dynamic, very much value-driven cooperative movement here. And you're taking an old cooperative system and you're pioneering a new way into the future. And so I see that you're winning the prizes. You're becoming a place that other people want to bring from examples. You don't need to go to Germany anymore. or to anywhere. We've got a key leading organization here, and the values and the leadership and the talent that you're bringing to this organization is visible in this, what I'm seeing, what I'm feeling, and what you're showing me. Shows me that you are committed to creating something that works, but is continuously learning and reinventing itself. It seems like it's so important for all of us, whether that we're just one organism. We need to reinvent ourselves every day, every morning. And you're reinventing the whole concept of what co-op can be and what kind of meaning it can have in a world, Ethiopia, that values society and caring about each other. And you're teaching the government how to play a similar role of that. And you're teaching corporations and companies, other kinds of legal organizations. You're teaching international agencies, you're teaching international corporations more and more about what it is to be a community society and how we can care about each other. And I'm hearing about your charity programs. I'm hearing about your caring about youth employment and problem solving. So all of that to me just tells me, you know, that what you're doing here is exceptional. It's not ordinary. There's something very special to what you're doing here. And quite frankly, you know, I'm in the economic development transformation business for my entire career. And today has been an eye-opener for me about what's possible. I'm inspired. I'm inspired by what you're doing. I'm inspired about what you care about. And I'm seeing that you're really developing this multi-purpose. You can go 360, and that you're doing it with major organizations. The whole cooperative agency is a part of this, and at the same time, you are giving back and teaching as you're growing and learning into the future. So I'm most impressed, and so just personally, and from my company's point of view, and kind of the community of actors that I know, and my family of actors in Ethiopia, Precise, Odeessaalee, a women's organization, Solidaridad, another NGO that's really quite powerful here. I see what I'm hoping for, based on the possibilities, is that together we can find some ways to collaborate, to work on the very same issues that you're dealing with here. Yeah. Probably the most important one that I think we have some real value to offer is in the area of job creation. And, you know, so that means job creation in tourism, job creation in all kinds of agriculture, job creation in industry, job creation in IT and other service industries. I think we have a lot of technology, let's say, and experience about how to make things grow through private sector, and now, for me, private sector and cooperative. I'm looking at Okay, what do I need to learn now? Because mostly I've been saying private sector led, buyer led. Those have been the key focuses for me. And what I'm interested in learning now is how to open up my eyes to how does cooperative play in that process too? Because I think I'm hearing about something that it's potent for me. And there's a lot of experience that I've witnessed in the past with cooperative that I didn't get all that excited about. But today I'm excited. There's something special going on here, and I'm really interested to learn more. So thank you very much for this honor to be here today. Thank you very much.
In fact, we have a lot of strong cooperatives, economically wealthy, whatever it is, but need some improvements on the system. So we have to consider as a center of excellency, Chief uses multi-purpose cooperative. We can invite them to visit and to sit together with you for an hour, 2 hours. They can learn a lot of things. They can take away a lot of things from you guys. So that is what I saw the difference today. So I'm very happy. We can find some rooms how we are going to work collaboratively. Leave alone my organization. Personally, I'm ready to consult you, to communicate with you. Really, personally, Mr. President, I highly appreciate you. You are founder, still leader, very committed. That is what we need. And the missed part in this country. Money, buildings, vehicles are not asset of cooperatives. The most important asset of cooperatives are members and leaders. If we have quality members, if we have quality leaders, that's the biggest asset of the cooperatives. That's also what I saw today. Thank you very much for inviting me.
I would like to appreciate all the presenter and also the Dr. Aikan and Ailat for your very informative comment. As a government, we are just energetic to support this energetic institution. When see we have more than 100,000 cooperatives, this type of cooperatives, but if you all merge together, they are not active and also in good line and according to the cooperative philosophy, and also in different aspects. These are new cooperatives. They are fresh for the cooperative ideology, but they have energy. You know that the youths are energetic, but with a vision. So we are just to support this energy, this vision. And also, as you said, let's keep in touch with this cooperative, Dr. Anir and Ailat. Please support this cooperative. The government have played this part just to organize and just first facilitate some administrative or some technical supporters. But as I said, there are many gaps with them, even with the technology, with the finance, with the information, with the knowledge. There are many gaps. So even if we are with them and the support with just encouraging, providing ideas, also very fruitful. Today's comment is very, very fruitful and informative. So I would like to say to all, please, let's extend our further communication and also further exert your support to be with this cooperative. That's my final, on behalf of government, this is a final message. We are supporting them, and you are also the one to support them. The stick is just with you. Thank you.